Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit duration of photos in TikTok, and here's how it is done. First, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon at the bottom center, then select upload at the bottom right. The key step here is to upload a combination of photos and make sure you include a video as well. For this tutorial, I'm choosing two photos and adding a video clip. Next, tap next at the bottom right corner. Since you included the video, you will now see an option that says edit on the top right corner. Tap on it. This will bring you to a menu where you can adjust the duration of your clips. By default, TikTok uses sound sync, but we will want to switch it to default to have more control over the photo durations. From here, select the video, tap the trash can icon, and delete it. Now only the photos are left, and you can edit their durations individually. Simply tap on a photo, set it to your desired duration, and hit OK. Do this step on the next photo. And that is everything you need to know about how to edit duration of photos in TikTok. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.